Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm so glad you did. Today's video is a sewing tutorial that can be styled in so many ways of your choice.
Half of my advancing, jars from Branson to make it through my circumstances, but you know I'm wise enough never just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
Yeah, here is the model we're using for today's video or today's tutorial. She's my younger sister. You guys have seen her like a couple of times on this channel. First, I'm loosening the cornrow she made before, and to let you guys know that she's natural, she actually transitioned into natural and her hair is really full. After loosening it, I'm just spraying water on her hair just so that I can easily comb the hair or just to make the hair soft enough for combing. So I did comb her hair off camera. Now I'm just sectioning her hair into two, a bigger portion at the back and a smaller portion in front, using a tail comb to achieve this. After that, I'll just go ahead to cornrow the front section, just a big cornrow or big size cornrow, so that it will not interfere with the cornrow I'm going to be making at the back. For the back, I'm just cornrolling it all back. I did not add any extension to her hair because she has a very full hair and there was no point adding any extension since the hair is full and can withstand the pressure of thread or can hold thread tight. So we just continue cornrolling her hair all back, starting from where I actually section her hair to the back. And if you guys want a detailed tutorial that's for beginners on how to cornrow, I'm just going to leave the link in the description box below. So guys, sorry, I'm just waking up from sleep and I actually want this video to be up today, and that's why my voice is cracked. Moving on. For the tips of the hair, I'm just connecting it together. That's the end. I'm just connecting it to the next cornrow and then braid it down.
Search for you, stay lost. Search for you, stay lost. We're reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
Front part of the hair, I'm just combing and trying to make sure that it's very smooth. Bringing a little section by the side of her head where I'm going to box braid and add beads. I'm also going to do that on the other side of her head.
That's the part you always show. Curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
So yeah, this is what the back looks like after cornrolling and connecting all the ends to each other. With this got to be glue or gel, since her hair is natural and it's so difficult to be laid down flat. I actually used the gel first. That's a normal gel to lay her hair, but it couldn't get the job done. At first I didn't like the fact that the got to be glue was looking white on her hair, but I actually noticed that with time the whitishness of the whitish nature of the got to be glue disappeared. After applying got to be glue or gel, I'm just packing the hair into ponytail and trying as much as possible to get a smooth laid ponytail using a tail comb and a toothbrush meant for hair to smoothen it. So yeah, after laying it, I'm just packing it into a ponytail with a rubber band first. After packing the hair into a ponytail, I'm just using this pink material to tie it round so that the hair will dry laid. This is the hair I'm using for this tutorial and it's from X-PRESSION. It's their newest product called Water Wave. X-PRESSION company actually sent me 2 different hair products which I already reviewed and installed. The first product called Afro Hair in color 1/27. We'll leave the link of that video in the description box because it's a full sew-in weave. For this product, I really love the texture and the color. See how it looks like human hair, and you get to have like 3 bundles in one pack, which is more than enough for a full head, depending on how full you want the hair to be. Just sewing in the hair starting from the back side, which is the normal usual way to sew in weave on, and I'm sewing from the left to the right side of her head. Just sewing right under the cornrow first, so that when she tries to flip the hair or pack the hair into a ponytail, it will have a smooth look. By using a single track or weft of the extension, then as I move further, I decided to add up the weft because I really want the hair to be full. As I'm sewing, I'm doing the turnover method. When I get to the end side of her head, I just flip it over to the next line and continue to sew. Why I'm doubling the wefts or the track is because the wefts are not like human hair, which are already doubled. So I'm sewing it from left to right or right to left, in whichever way you are seeing it. Sewing the hair on a straight line first at the back, then when I start getting very close to where the ponytail is, I will just start curving it into a U shape because of the closing.
We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. Search but you stay lost.
On getting to the middle part of her head, I just increased the weft line into 3 or 4 wefts line because I actually want to sew in all the 3 bundles, and also, like I said before, I want the hair to be really full. So getting to the ponytail side, very close to the ponytail, I just started doing the round closing method.
Maybe you should take it slow, mysterious. That's the part you always show. You're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
Just continue sewing. When I get to the ponytail, we'll just wrap it around the ponytail, just so that it will give this hippie kind of look or fullness in front of her head. Close it by joining the last 2 wefts on the ponytail together with needle and thread. So over to the front side, I'm just preparing this extension I'm going to be using. For the sides, I actually sectioned before for box braids. I'm taking off the material I initially tied on her front hair that is helping the front hair to lay down flat. So this part is actually optional. I just want to add like little swags to the hair, so I'm just adding beads to the side and I'm just giving her this kind of Fulani look. That's what we actually call it here in Nigeria, Fulani look, 2-piece by the side, so it's optional. After box braiding this side, I'm going to do the same on the other side and also add beads off camera. Here is the final look. I went ahead to style it in 3 different looks. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment on the topic you want to see or the tutorial you want to see up next on this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like the end result. Share to friends and family, and yeah, we'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed.